All throughout what you see are hepatocytes or the liver cells. Tapos yung mga black na to, what are these? Pigmented granules, so that gives color to the liver yan. And then sinusoids are just yung nothing inside. Yan, for example, this one. Parang mga hole. Nothing inside. Sinusoid. And then we have look at this. If you can see class, yung mga red inside is our RBC. So the biggest is what we call as the hepatic portal vein. Actually, triad yan eh. You can see the hepatic vein and the hepatic artery or the hepatic arteriole or the venule. Yung arteriole is bigger than the venule. Walang difference ng dalawa. So just look at it walang triad dito eh. And this one, which is composed of cuboidal cells, this is what we call as the bile duct. Tignan nyo, walang laman sa loob yan, pero it is composed of cuboidal cells. This one. Yan o. Kaya may mga rounded structure, these are the nucleus. Bile duct yan, secretion ng the passage of bile. So all throughout, these are the hepatocytes. Yung in-identify nyo as polygonal cells. These are hepatocytes or liver cells for secretion of bile. And then ito, because it's big, this is hepatic portal vein. Hepatic portal vein. Hepatic portal vein. Walang triad kasi dito. Masyado makita yung smaller arteriole and the venule. Okay. Ito naman. Basta big, much bigger is arteriole. Smaller is the venule. Okay. Tayo. Kaya rin this is also bad. Is may iyak kayo. So, white space for design. Oh, nothing inside. Pagka may space na ganyan, and then there are RBC, pinakamalaki ay hepatic portal. Medyo maliit, arteriole. The smallest is the ventricle. Okay. Next we have